Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add animations to your CapCut videos. So if you want to add animations to your CapCut videos, then here's how you can do it. So the first thing you need to do is open a project like this, and you can literally choose any project you want to add an animation to, just like this. And then in order to add animations, there are a few different ways in order to actually do this. So the first one is simply clicking on this clip and then clicking on animation. Then you have this in and you have this out button and a combo button. However, I will just recommend using in and out. So in basically means that if you click an animation here on the in tab, it will just add that animation to the beginning of where you are starting that video. So we can see right now I fade in, and of course because we're in right now, we are going to get a fade just in our video. And then for example when we scroll to the end, we add an animation without, and maybe we do fade out, then we can see that at the end, because from the out step right now we get an animation that is fading out. Now let's say that I want to add an animation right here in the middle. All I simply do is make sure to click on split, and then what you're going to do is click on animation again, and you can literally add any animation you want. But do remember that if you have it on in, it will add it to the beginning of that clip, and if you have it on out, at the end of that clip. So for example on in, for example this animation, and we literally can see right now that we have this crazy animation, and that's basically the basics in order to use animations over on CapCut. So if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.